Sometimes when you're actually shooting a photo, you may want to go around and correct out its distortion effect after you shoot a photo. In that case, what you can do is you can utilize something called lens correction. So to do that, you need to go around onto filter right here, and here you can see that lens correction is an option. So once you go around and open that out, you can see that you can change around the amount of the lens correction right here, and it changes out the distortion of the image, as you can see right here, just like this. Let's say you shot with a wide lens, but you don't want the distortion, then you can simply change around the amount right here. And you can go around and change around the scale of the lens as well, as if you are zooming in right here. So as if you're changing out the focal length right here, as you can see right here, you can change around how the effect actually looks right here, and press OK and do a lens correction right there, just like that, as you can see. And that is how you can utilize the lens correction filter inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.